Hey coaches, Stacy Warzak one final time with Beachbody Basic number 10, which is commit to be here in 1 year and still be doing steps 1 through 9 that we covered earlier. This is not something to add to your to-do list. This is a commitment to yourself and your personally sponsored coach that in 1 year you will still be practicing steps 1 through 9, and I promise you, you will have come so far by doing that. So with that said, no surprise, but your first year in the business is going to be the toughest one. It's going to be a year where you're learning new skills. It's going to be a year where you have that feeling that you're putting in more hours than you are seeing results in return. It's going to be a year that you are reaching out to people more than they're reaching out to you. It's going to be a year that you're building your brand. It's a year that you're finding your niche and your target market. So this is something that is obviously going to take time. So let me just tell you that there is something that happens that is nothing but magical when you will be consistent. If you do steps 1 through 9 and you're consistent, not sporadic or when it's convenient or when you feel like it, every single day, being consistent, 1 year from now, you will be in a very different place than you are today. So I know firsthand that that is the case for me, having just celebrated my 1-year Beachbody anniversary on April 9th, 2015. This business will work if you do. If you work, it will work. Like we covered previously, having websites do not make you successful as a successful entrepreneur. And being consistent will establish yourself among those that follow you and that have learned to trust you because you have been daily posting and daily being consistent with those 9 steps all year. There is something about people who watch you and they have to watch you go through 4 seasons of being consistent. So your followers will be saying, wow, look at the change in her, and wow, I'm really seeing a difference in her, and wow, she carries herself different now. People will notice, but it might take some time to be consistent, even though there are crickets. And we all have crickets. So we just have to power through that and still be consistent despite that. There are people watching us, but they're called Weight Watchers. And that is by Michelle Myers, totally cute, and not Weight Watchers per se, but Weight Watchers. They are waiting and they are watching to see what happens with you. And guess what? If you quit, they'll never start. So we have to be consistent and we will see results. There is no possible way you won't as long as you do it day after day for a bit of time. Like our fitness programs, we know that we have to eat clean and we drink our Shakeology and we do our workouts. We see results if we do that. It's the same thing in this business. If we do steps 1 through 9, it is impossible to fail. If we buy a program and let it sit on the shelf and collect dust, guess what? We're not going to see results. It's the same thing in this business. If you're not going to be consistent, it's not going to work. You're not going to see results. So tell yourself that in 1 year, you're going to do steps 1 through 9 consistently every day. And I promise you, there is no way that you will quit. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. If you're one of my personal coaches, I want you to send me the answer to these questions. If I'm not your personal coach, send these answers to your personal sponsor. Reason being, we are going to coach people very differently if someone says, hey, Stacy, I want to coach, but just for the discount right now, as opposed to, hey, Stacy, I hate my job, I want to be home with my kids, and I need to make money full-time so that I can quit doing what I hate doing. So, of course, I'm going to coach those 2 people quite differently. Question 1. Based on the 10 basics, what would you commit to do daily for your business? So based on the 10 basics, what are you going to commit to do daily, week after week, month after month? Personally, what are you going to commit? 1 to 9 or just the few that you can commit to do? I want to know. Question number 2. If you knew without a shadow of a doubt you could not fail in this business, what would you want to accomplish with your business? Again, if you knew you could not fail, it was impossible, what would you do to accomplish in your Beachbody business? So again, if you're my personally sponsored coach, send me your answers. Otherwise, send those answers to your personal coach. And once you send the answers to your coach, commit to yourself to be here for 1 whole year. Congratulations for listening and finishing this training. I appreciate you taking the time and doing this. And I hope that you will use these tools to give to your future coaches so that we can build a great and strong team together. And make it your goal that every night before you go to bed to commit to being a better coach every single night when you go to bed. So better coach tonight than you were last night. If we do that, we will be a very successful team. Thanks, everyone.